Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to be installing and reviewing the Haulmaster weight distribution hitch and sway control kit from Harbor Freight for my new trailer that I got this year. Compared to everything else out on the market, with Harbor Freight coupons and whatnot, I was able to pick up the entire setup here for right about $200. So we'll go ahead and see what kind of quality it is and how simple it is to hook up and see how it works. One issue I've already run into, so I already hooked up the receiver. As you guys can see here, they advertise 7.5 inches total rise and drop, adjustable in 1/4 inch increments. So this is the shank that comes with the kit. So you can see, I got roughly a 6-inch lift on the truck here. This wasn't quite enough for what I need, and I hooked it up to the trailer. Barely got it on there, and it was at quite a bit of an angle. I'll go ahead and show you what we got going here. I've already installed it on the truck. You got to buy your own ball. It doesn't come with a ball, but it does utilize the 1.25 inch shank, larger diameter shank ball, which is nice. So this is what we got. So I actually had to pick up a different drop shank here. Pick this up off of Amazon for like $80. Give me what I need, because as you can see, even though, point this out, once you guys get it into the holes, the design of this is actually raises the ball considerably higher than the rest of where this mounts, as you guys can see. So once, see if I can hold this up here and do this two-handed. Once I got that up there and installed, the ball was actually sitting way up here. So hopefully this will work a little bit better than what came with the kit. I'd say if you had a 4-inch or a stock height truck, the drop shank here that comes with the kit would probably work just perfectly for you, but anything larger than that, you're probably going to need to get a little something different with the kit. So hopefully I don't run into any other issues. We'll go ahead and get this hooked up to the trailer, and we'll go from there. Alright, so here we are. I got it all hooked up. As you can see, everything's sitting pretty level. Definitely 100% better than what it was with the other shank on there. So we'll go ahead and delve into the kit here and get the rest of this thing hooked up. Alright, so we got our instructions in the kit. You got your bar, everything else in here. Pretty basic, really, guys. Got our chain. Here's our leveling bars here. So, obviously, he's got the saddle and your bolt here. Get those installed on the trailer. A few safety pins and whatnot in there with it. So, go ahead and get it hooked up. Just getting the chains bolted up here onto the arms, guys. Once you get those bolted on, we can go ahead and get it installed. Alright, so as you guys can see, I already got the other side thrown on. I'll throw this side on. Figure out roughly where we need that. And we'll get this tightened up. Just a 3/4 inch wrench will tighten that up for you. Just like that, guys. So far this seems to be a pretty decent kit. Get the sway control hooked up, take it for a spin. So now we got both sides hooked up. Our cotter keys in here. That's that. Really quick, simple install for the most part so far, guys. Definitely highly recommend it. Quality's gonna be just fine for what I need it for what I'm doing. For more than half the price of some of these others out there on the market. Alright guys, today we're going to hook up the sway control kit portion of the receiver. So, really pretty simple, not a whole lot to it here, guys. So Pretty simple. Got your little ball. Hook it either on the left side or the right side. Really doesn't matter which. For my trailer, the weight, we only need the one. Trailer 10,000 pounds or more, they recommend 2 of them. Obviously that's going to play a part with, depending on what truck you're using as a tow vehicle. So anyway, one will be fine with me. Parents have hauled much heavier with their toy hauler. Use one without issue with a 1-ton truck. You know, depending on side winds where you're at, you may need to install 2 of these. That's up to each of your individual setup. You'll see I already pulled this portion here out of my kit. I'll show you why. This is the hardware that came with the kit. These have terrible reviews online, and I'll show you in a minute exactly why I'm not using these. I'll save you guys the details, but what I've done already is I went and got some stainless hardware, and I drilled and tapped these brackets onto the trailer itself. We're not going to use these cheesy. They're known for being soft, twisting off and breaking, and I will show you exactly why. So finish getting that plate mounted onto my trailer, and we'll get this thing hooked up. So here you go, guys. This is exactly why I'm not using that hardware. You can see those twisted right off. We didn't install this. This one's already been on here. That was actually twisted off trying to remove it. So it's possible that someone over torqued them in there, but I'm not taking the chance. So that's why we swapped out the hardware. So here we are back at the trailer, guys. Like I said, as you can see, I've got the plate mounted up here. Looks much nicer and much cleaner. And I know I can get it off with no problem if I need to. You got stainless hardware, everything's drilled and tapped. Got that mounted up. Went ahead and mounted the little ball up here. Like I said, doesn't matter which side. This is just the side that I chose. Then we got the trailer sway control brake. Go ahead and we'll get mounted up there. Put it on. A couple pins there. Get those in there, and then literally it's just a matter of adjusting. I don't know if you guys can see very well. You got this one, you can adjust it there so that you can get the handle in the position that you want it in with the appropriate pressure. Guys, remember, this is just to create some drag. Don't reef on that thing. You don't want to fight it every time you need to jackknife your trailer or make a turn. That's not exactly the idea. So anyway, there you have it. Trailer and truck are sitting perfectly level. This is the Hallmaster trailer sway control kit and the Hallmaster weight distribution hitch, set up and used in conjunction with each other. Sold from Harbor Freight. So for, I believe I paid, what, $230 total with coupons. This is a decent quality setup for the price. I definitely recommend the kit, other than, like I said, changing out the hardware there, other than what comes in the kit. Couldn't be happier with it. Towed a little bit with it already. Everything's hauling nice, no issues, no problems, no binding. I had a spotter checks, a couple good hard 90-degree backing turns each way. No binding or issues. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more.